Hello, my name is Panupat Sangkao. I am currently studying at Maphalong University, majoring in sport and health science. Okay, let's talking about my personal strength. I'm a fast learner. I get along well with people. I'm friendly and I'm very commit when it comes to completing any task. I always try to improve myself and take responsibility for the thing I do. In the next 1 year, I see myself possible entering a government-related career path like my family, or maybe working at a hotel around the Saturn area in a health hub position. As one of senior has recommended, but of course, nothing in life is certain, so I'm open to opportunities that come to my way. Looking ahead to next 5 years, when I'm around 37, I hope to have stable job and be able to financially support my family as a way of giving back. I believe I will be working hard to build my future because 30 is getting closer, and hopefully by that time I might even become a supervisor or a leader of a small team, just a little bit of my. The last, finally, about my self-reflection, I believe I will be developing the character of a sports scientist. In the past, when I played sport, I never really thought of injury or how to prevent them. But after studying in the field for almost 4 years, I will become much more aware of injury prevention, proper technical, and science behind performance. I can feel myself moving into this profession. Thank you for listening ครับ